Hi there, this is Rupesh and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to share with you a quick story that could save you a lot of frustration, especially if you are running an online business or if you're thinking of starting your online business. Now picture this, I'm ready to get started with my email campaigns on a platform called Systeme.io. I'm all super excited, but bam, I realized I needed to authenticate my email address, and I'm not a technical person, so these technical hurdles, they just got me all nervous. So what did I do? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the awesome technical support that I received from both Systeme.io and Wealthy Affiliate. So stick around to check how it all went down. Okay, so let me show you the two platforms and then let me explain to you the problem that I had and how these two platforms offered me awesome support. The first platform is Systeme.io, and this is the platform that I use for all my funnels, my emails, and my automations. It's actually, they do have a free option, so you can check it out. And if you are serious about email marketing, then you would want to start using a business domain. And even Systeme.io will tell you at some point that using Gmail and Hotmail as your business address can get these emails put in the spam or flagged. As a result, your audience is not going to see the emails you're sending out to them. So that's the reason why I'm using my business email and I needed to authenticate it with Systeme.io. Now, as you can see here, it says here you need to authenticate your domain and display its information. Now, this is where they give you what is called a DNS settings. As I said to you, I'm not technically minded, so I have no idea what that means. And now the problem is my business, my entire website is registered in a platform called Wealthy Affiliate. So in other words, I need to send them the DNS settings. They can have to change it or modify it, whatever. And then I need to come back to Systeme.io. Let me show you that. So here we are at Wealthy Affiliate. It's an online training platform where you get to build your online business. They too have a starter membership. I've been with them since 2015. So I can tell you these guys are the real deal. And here you can get to choose whatever topic you want to build your business on. There's amazing tools, training. There's a one-of-a-kind community to help you build your business. You can choose a business idea, build traffic, and make money. Now, these are the guys where I registered my website with them. So I need them to check out the settings that Systeme.io sent to me and see if they can help me out. Take a look at what I sent to their support team. Okay, so here I am in the Wealthy Affiliate membership area. This is in my back office. These are all the site support tickets that I logged over the years. Now here is the one that I'm going to show you, the DNS settings for Systeme.io. Okay, so as you can see, I said, hi, good day, hope that you are well. I want to authenticate my email, info@rupeshcommon.com, with an email autoresponder called Systeme.io. Systeme.io mentioned something about asking your host provider to change the CNAME or DNS. I'm really not so clued up. Could you assist me in this regard? Now, the DNS setting is a bunch of mix of letters and numbers in it, and where it doesn't make sense at all. But this is not for us to understand. And that's a cool part, is that you have these platforms that are there to assist you. And so the support team got back to me and said, hi, Rupesh, yes, to authenticate your email, we need to add a CNAME record or possibly a TXT record to your domain setting. Could you please provide the exact DNS records that Systeme.io has given you? This usually includes CNAME, text record, value target. Once you share these details, we'll update your DNS accordingly. So that's what I went ahead and I shared the details with them. And then they got back to me and they told me, hi Rupesh, we have added a TXT record as per your request. Please refer to the attached screenshot to confirm the same. So they sent me a screenshot to tell me that it's been added and everything. And then what I done is I took that screenshot and I sent it to Systeme.io. And then just to end off, this is the email that I got from Systeme.io. Hello Rupesh, thank you for contacting the Systeme.io support team. Please note that I have checked your domain. All the CNAMEs are correct and are pointing to the right values. So all sorted out and everything is done. And there you have it. I had the Wealthy Affiliate support team to dive straight into the TNS editor. They added the records, they double checked everything. Systeme.io came along, made sure everything from the back end was all sorted out. They sent me an email that I was ready and good to go. I didn't have to Google and go through tons of tutorials by myself, getting all confused and possibly losing hope. I had Batman and Superman to sort this problem out for me. The point here is that if you are thinking of starting an online business, then choose your platform carefully. It's not just about fancy dashboards or shiny features. You also need to make sure they got a very good support team, because when you hit that technical wall, and trust me, at some point in your online entrepreneurship journey, you will hit one of these technical walls. You would want to have a team that's there, that cares for you and provides you that support quickly and efficiently. Because remember, at the end of the day, your main purpose is to focus on your business. The technical side of things should be sorted out from the support team. They should worry about that. And that's why both Wealthy Affiliate and Systeme.io come out with top marks in my opinion. If you have any doubts about them, I hope that this video has given you a much more clearer insight into these two platforms. So thanks so much for checking out this video. If you want to learn more about both Wealthy Affiliate and Systeme.io, then I have dropped links in the video description. There is a free certification course for Systeme.io that you can take. Wealthy Affiliate will give you that foundation if you are a beginner to wanting to get started online with your online business. They have a great starter membership. You can check that out as well. I want to just end off by saying you guys rock both Wealthy Affiliate and Systeme.io. And to you, my valuable subscriber, thanks for sticking around during this whole video right here, and I really appreciate it. Thanks so much for joining me. If you have any questions or comments, leave it below this video, and if you found the video helpful, then give it a thumbs up. I look forward to checking out my next video, so don't forget to subscribe to this video. Take care and goodbye.